recap from last daily vlog. Dollar Tree snack haul. Want to try these cookies out, gingerbread. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try this gingerbread cookie mix for the very first time and see what it do. It seemed very simple. You only need two other ingredients, which is just butter and water, and those two ingredients I do have. For $1.25 and make 12 cookies. Come on, y'all. Y'all can't beat that. So let's pray it tastes good. Y'all, when I started mixing it, I did not think it would actually come out to be anything. I thought I had messed up, but 1 tablespoon of water and 3 tablespoons of butter actually forms cookie dough. Okay, y'all. Y'all see the heart didn't stay. This is not that type of recipe. It's not for shaped cookies. So I'm gonna taste. I kind of overcooked it, I think. But it still feel chewy in the middle. But the next batch, I won't cook them that long. So let's taste them. Cheers. Too hard. Not hard, but I cooked them way too long. I'm gonna do 13 minutes. Let me see. They're not bad, but I think I would add like some more ginger to it. It's hard as hell. Okay, that last bite was too big. But if I had to rate it for taste and not over baking, I would give it a strong 7, 6, a 6. I'm gonna razzle and dazzle it a little bit for the next round. Like add more ginger and more little spices. But for the most part, for $1.25, I for sure buy again and just keep it in my cabinet if I want a quick, easy snack to make. But $1.25, for sure, worth the buy. Second round, guys. I cooked them less. They're still crispy on the edges, but they're actually soft in the middle, praise be to God. So let's give these a try. So these shall not break my teeth. Much, much, much better. And I added extra cinnamon and ginger to this batch. A lot more flavor too. The ginger kicking in. So I probably even go less. I did it for 9.5 minutes. I'll probably do 8 minutes next. Because the edges are still too hard for me. But overall, a lot better. I still, even after eating the first batch, I still will repurchase. So that's the end, guys. I hope y'all try them. You want some now?